a man linked allegedly to President Cyril Ramaphosa's game farm cash heist is appearing in court today. It's understood the charges are related to another case. Let's go to our senior reporter, Ayesha Ismail, who's following this story, and she joins us now live. Ayesha, please help me understand. A lot of people are asking themselves why this man is appearing in court. Does it have to do with Phala Phala or another case? But also at the same time, he's somebody who's already serving a sentence or something in prison. Can you help me understand?
So, Masejo, just to clarify the matter, the person appearing in court here in the Cape Town Regional Court is a man called Urbanus Shwambwako, and he is a Namibian national. Now, what we know so far is that he is only linked to the Phala Phala robbery based on Arthur Fraser's affidavit. Now, in that affidavit, Arthur Fraser mentions him as one of the people allegedly involved in the robbery that took place on the president's farm. What we heard in court today is that this person has been appearing in court for a while now. But I'm now joined by the National Prosecuting Authority's Western Cape spokesperson, who's going to help us to understand exactly what Mr. Urbanus Shwambwako's on what exactly the charges he is appearing in the regional court and how he is linked to the Phala Phala robbery, if he is linked to it at all.
Thanks for the opportunity. He is charged with 12 counts of illegal possession of firearms as well as reckless driving. The incident happened on the 18th of October 2020 around the Blauberg area. The case has been going on for more than a year now. He's even applied for bail, which he was declined. He went to High Court and he lost there as well. So we were supposed to come today for a 105 plea and sentencing agreement, but they seem to have changed their minds, and now we are ready for trial. That's where we are. The case is not linked to Phala Phala at all, nothing at all. What we're here for is an illegal possession of firearms and negligent driving. The person was found with 12 guns in his vehicle.
Now, we heard his legal representative addressing the court and talking about the fact that he was visited by senior members of the Hawks and questioned about the Phala Phala robbery.
I'm sure you also saw us objecting to that because we were trying to understand the relevance of that information being brought to this court, because it had nothing to do with this case. Even the magistrate also asked what's the relevance of that, and the defense struggled to bring forward what the relevance of all the information that he was bringing to the court. As a result of that, he also asked, if you remember, he asked that his client be put in protective custody and that they be allowed to see some parts of the docket. That first application of protective custody, it does not even belong to this court. It's not supposed to be brought to us. It's supposed to be dealt with by correctional services. And the part of access to the docket, they know really well that at this stage they don't have right to access that. But we argued, and the court even agreed with us, that they can't try and ambush us on that. They need to make a formal application, which application will be heard on the 30th of September.
Now, we've also heard that the matter has been postponed for trial to December.
Yes, we do have provisional dates of 8th and 9th of December for trial, where we'll start with the case. Hopefully, we'll start with the case. If there are no more theatrics coming forward, we hope that we'll start with the case.
Thank you so much for your time. So, Masejo, there we're hearing the representative from the National Prosecuting Authority saying that the accused before court, and that is Urbanus Shwambwako, the Namibian national, is in no way standing trial in this court on matters relating to the robbery that took place on the president's farm in Phala Phala.
All right, thank you, Ayesha, for that clarity. Ayesha Ismail, outside court in Cape Town.